So this is the benefits of having a twin turbo setup on your 6.5, is so that when the fucking head gasket blows up, then you get to find out which side the gasket is gone on. Gasket blowing. It seems to be that it clears itself up. It's still not chugging smoke, so he's not completely gone. I should be able to ride on it for a little while. So if anyone got any head studs that they want to sell to me cheap, please keep me in mind. I have to tear this down. I'll use one of my parts trucks to help replace. There's 2 6.5s there and another 6.5 over there. That's 4 altogether. Only one is really going to be going on the road besides this one. So if anyone here can help me out on a good deal, even if you want to donate to the Diesel Nation channel, I will gladly accept it, and I'll pay for the shipping. It don't matter. Anyways, thank you, and I'll see you next time.